Hi guys, it's Weta and I'm here to show you how to take apart the Derwent Superpoint Helical manual pencil sharpener. And it's one that I knew how to work on some time ago. I had to look it up and it just gave me a problem a few minutes ago and I couldn't remember what to do, so I went to look it back up. And the video that I was looking for I couldn't find. I found some others. Long story short, I discovered that not only did I have this problem, but some people had also had this problem, so I thought I would just show a video on how to take it apart and how to troubleshoot it. Now first, this is why people really like it. Look at those points. That is and points like this on colored pencils, graphite, charcoal, just are wonderful. It's that long point. Lets you really get into the tooth of the paper. You use it, of course, lightly, but I was going through and I was sharpening and I ran into the problem. So if you're sharpening color pencils with it, now you can do Prismacolors, Luminance, Faber-Castell, and everything, but if you're using Prismacolors, you're going to run into the problem. I run into the problem with Prismacolors more than any other, where I put my pencil in, pull this out, squeeze the top, so this is what it's looking like, and yeah, I'm not getting anything. Okay, so take the pencil out, look at it, it's definitely not sharp, so I'm going to put this back in. To do that, you squeeze the top here and just kick that up with your finger here and it will slide back in. What I need to do is to get to the sharpening mechanism, so I take the knob where the handle is and just twist it. I twist it forward. I don't know if it'll twist. No, the only way it'll twist is forward. Twist it forward and you can pull out the sharpening mechanism. Now if I look, and yep, there it is. Can you see the pencil lead right in there? There it is, right there. So to fix that, I get something sharp, stick it in there, and work to dislodge that pencil lead. And there it is. Okay, so once it's out, let me throw that away. I just double check it to make sure it's all good. And nothing. You should be able to, you can't tell from there you go. You should be able to see all the way through. You should get light in there, and I can't get the angle just right, so it'll do it again. But you just look, there's nothing. Now to get it back in, to get the sharpening mechanism back in, you have to recognize that you have little tabs right here and here, and they line up here and here. So you put it in, keep it level, and honestly, there we go, goes in flat, give it a twist away from you, and I should be good to go again. So let's see. Yep. And there we go. It's working beautifully again. So, and that was not a Prismacolor. It was in with the Prismacolors, but it's some brand I've never heard of. Okay, these were some that I was given, so just slide the tray out to change it, and that's it. That's all there is to it. It is a fantastic sharpener. So if it gives you fits, please pull that mechanism out and just dislodge. Probably it's got lead in it, just dislodge the lead. Anyway, it's an awesome. If you have any questions about this sharpener, let me know in the comments down below. Bye guys.